Hello YouTubers, this is DJ What? And I'm gonna start a Lock Nation. So everybody hit me up at youtube.com, whatever you can hit me up at. You know the message, read the little message on the bottom and stuff. So check that out. I'd like to start off and pay homage to all the YouTube videos that were out there. They were helpful in every kind of way, That's why I just want to say thank you to all you guys who stuck it out, and because y'all are my inspiration. And I also want to say, I just want to say thank you to all the different YouTube videos that y'all put out, because they really helped, they really motivated me to go ahead and start this process. And I got it twisted up last week, so I'm a week and 2 days into it. And right now, I'm starting to go through the problems, I guess you would say, the hell days. I don't know what you want to call it. But right now it's starting to frizz up and it's starting to itch. And I'm kind of like, just like, what do I do? You know, I'm reading all things, wash it, don't wash it, damp it, don't damp it, spray it, don't spray it, all this other stuff. But I'm just going to hold tight till about another week or so. I'm going to wait till my third week, get it retwisted, wash it and retwist it, and hopefully that'll help with something. But for the first week, everything was cool. Everything came out fine. I'm going to show y'all some pictures after this. And that's going to be it. This is a start right here. This is my first video that I'm making. And forgive me for being a rookie at this. But, you know, we all got to start from somewhere, right? So, this is me. This is 2012. What year is it? What month is it? September? September? No, it's October. October 2012. This is me starting the locks. This is my hair. I don't know if you can see it too well. I'll fix the light in the next video. If you can't see me in this video, I'll fix the next one. But, yeah, my camera's running out of battery, so I'm going to wrap this up. Wish me luck. Good luck to all the people that's out there trying to do it. Right now, I'm frustrated, so y'all hit me up. Let me know what's up, because we got to get through this thing together, you feel? Because when your hair start itching real bad and you don't, and you just get frustrated and want to comb it out or wash it out and do whatever else, that's what I'm feeling right now. Like I said, my hair's starting to frizz up and look all nasty and stuff, look all crazy. And I gotta go to work in the morning, so yeah, you know, we'll make it do what it do. Thank y'all for watching. Hopefully to see y'all in a couple months.